What's up guys, and welcome to another video of Mechanical Human. Today we'll be carrying on with an unboxing video, and we'll be unboxing the COSMICBYTE Corona red wired gaming keyboard. Hope you guys like it. Well, to be honest, we ordered this keyboard on the 24th of December and it was due to reach us on the 2nd of January 2019, but it arrived early on the 31st of December. Kinda maybe Flipkart's way of saying Happy New Year. So shout out to Flipkart on that. Without any further delay, let's begin with the unboxing. Now, as you can see, we have three variants of this keyboard: the red, the blue, and the rainbow RGB. But well, we chose to go on with the red one. Also, the full features of this keyboard will be listed here on the screen. COSMICBYTE, with its minimalistic packaging, kinda keeps it clean and hassle-free to open. Well, there you have it, the keyboard itself. Now let's plug it in and see how it feels while gaming and check its red LED coloring also.
Eliminate all hostiles.